90% of what happens to you, including how your genes get expressed, is determined by your environment. This is the science of epigenetics. And the most important part of that environment is created by your beliefs, most of which you are not consciously aware. That was one of my favorite quotes from Dr. Christine Northrup. This is in regards to the science of epigenetics. You see, your beliefs create and manipulate your environment that is intrinsically one with the morphogenic quantum unified field. Our mentality, emotional body, environment, diet, and all social relations heavily impacts the expression of our genome. DNA is the instructor that bridges and builds the proteins needed to carry out all the various functions of a living organism's cells. DNA consists of epigenome histone proteins. The epigenome is a record of not only the chemical changes of the DNA and histone proteins of you, the living organism, but also your parents and their parents and so on. This is generational epigenomics, but this doesn't mean you are destined to the same gene expression as the generations that came before you in this now. The epigenome is made up of a wide array of chemical compounds, chromatin, that can command the genome sequence in its very expression. Gene regulation modulates all development. We have the power to turn genes on or off. We have total control over our genes, whether we are conscious of it or not. The ability to self-heal first comes through the belief in total surrender. We take mind out of body, allowing mind to control body. The more conscious we are of this truth, the more control we have over the expression and activation of our innate genome that ultimately animates this sonoluminescence, bioluminescence, spacesuit prism, vehicle, avatar we call the human body. Here's a few other quotes that I absolutely love, referring to the science of epigenetics. Science is proving that our body's ability to heal and repair itself is greatly affected by our belief thoughts, emotions, and intentions, for they have a profound vibrational effect upon our continually evolving genetic code. We're the programmers of the code. DNA activation is our software upgrade. Epigenetics is the study of hidden influences on genes. This emerging science has proven that humans are more than biological machines, dancing to their DNA. In fact, humans have the capacity to rewrite their genetic code, for better or for worse. Epigenetics changes are what allow maggots to turn into flies and caterpillars to transform into butterflies. Our DNA is like a genie in a bottle, except they are genes in our body, connected to the unified field of the universe. They react to our thoughts to make our wishes a reality by attracting people, things, and experiences which we desire and think about most. There are numerous scientists, not to mention thousands of years of spiritual adepts, who claim light and sound alter our DNA and directly influence our biology. DNA is a type of language, albeit a complex one. Computer simulations and a purely biological approach to understanding the language have failed, however, in the same way that language fails to describe ascended states. Science does, however, confirm that sound and light can and do directly influence the body, healing processes. Researchers at the University of Cincinnati have had measurable success in applying high-frequency electrical signals to vascular cells with great effect in healing chronic, persistent wounds like diabetic ulcers. Genetic factors are not the major causes of chronic disease, but believing they are will definitely make it so. Your gene expression can change based on what you eat, how you move, your thoughts, feelings, and social connections. Let it be known, think and speak of only that which you desire to experience. You are aligned with the full spectrum harmonic codes of divine source, light, intelligence. And within this light, you are guided and protected eternally. You are aligned with the full spectrum harmonic codes of divine source, light, intelligence. And within this light, you are guided and protected eternally. You are aligned with the full spectrum harmonic codes of divine source, light, intelligence. And within this light, you are guided and protected eternally. You have tuned into this DNA activation. Please do like, comment, and subscribe if you resonated with this video and are looking forward to more light-encoded, life-altering content.